prototype program. I just wanted to continue to update everybody and get some good footage of how we're doing with things. It's about 4 o'clock in the morning, about to head off to our airport shift, knock out that 3-hour workout, maintain the diabetes, and also get some more research done on the cargo side for the business. Today's a big day for us. We got pie interview day, so super excited about that. We were barely able to figure out how to get a haircut in financially yesterday because we got so many things we're working on, and $25 is a lot of money to us. But we wanted to go in there looking pretty polished up, so we're able to get ready for that. We've got our everything set up for that. We're gonna get into this program. This is going to happen. This is happening. This is a great organization, phenomenal resources, phenomenal mentorship opportunities. Rick by himself, as a standalone, is a great connection that's worthwhile, in my opinion, to engage with and to really work with. Super exciting. This is a huge bridge for us between PDX Airport and ourselves at ADHERE. We do have a pretty good foundation going with PDX Airport at this point, but adding Pi into the mix is really going to strengthen that relationship and solidify some key structural elements as we move forward. So super excited about that. In today's interview, we're gonna work hard when we get off of this airport shift to prepare for that. Still haven't decided if we're going to take public transportation or drive. Take public transportation, like a 2-hour commute, so I don't know. It's also a great time to kind of prepare for it, so we'll see. Try